In this season, I'm restoring your youth. There is a restoration taking place. This had to happen in my timing for reasons only I know. God only knows. It's such a powerful phrase. There are many things that only I know. Don't let the spirit of rejection hinder you. Not everyone can come with you on this journey. Some have held the ticket in hand a long time, unaware of its significance. In this season, I am opening doors wide to see the restoration taking place. Things that were hidden will be revealed. Little ones will be elated as I reveal the treasures that were held back by my hand. My hand and my hand alone can restore what was lost and stolen. Even before you walked with me, your losses were illegal thefts from the enemy. The reason is this: you and I stand strong in a covenant bond, and only lies and deception were able to convince you to come into agreement with the enemy, opening the way for him to rifle through your belongings left at his disposal. No guilt on your part led to the loss, only ignorance of the gift of salvation. Renewal is upon us in all things. I've decided it's time for my children to understand the full extent of their inheritance. This is the grace outpouring. Vision is being restored. As you see the deceptions for what they really were, claim your innocence and take by force what is rightfully yours. Did you know that FirstFruitTas is a thriving community of prophetic believers? We connect every week to prophesy to one another. It's a very encouraging community. If you follow the links in the details box below the video, you'll find a whole range of ways to connect with us. You're absolutely welcome, and there's no cost involved. God bless. Not every prophetic word is for every person. Take every word before the Lord. Prophetic words are not intended literally. This video does not offer expert advice. If you would like to sow a seed, invest in original art, buy prints, or connect to a thriving prophetic community, use the link in the description box below the video. If this video blessed you, you might like to share, like, and subscribe. Holy Father, I thank you for placing this video before those you intend to receive it. Amen.